Hello, let's talk about the manufacturing consent theory that was pitched in by the Frankfurt School. The Frankfurt School was a group of scholars who fled Nazi Germany in 1930s and settled in the United States. They were critical of mass culture and argued that it was used to control the masses and prevent them from revolting against the status quo. One of the leading figures of the Frankfurt School was Theodor Adorno. Adorno argued that mass culture is standardized, commercialized, and manipulative. He argued that mass culture is produced by large corporations and is designed to make people passive and compliant. He also argued that mass culture is often escapist and trivial, and that it prevents people from thinking critically about the world around them. Another leading figure of the Frankfurt School was Max Horkheimer. Horkheimer argued that the mass culture is a form of false consciousness. He argued that mass culture creates a false reality that prevents people from seeing the true nature of society. He also argued that mass culture is used to promote consumerism and to distract people from important social issues. The Frankfurt School's critique of mass culture has been influential in many fields, including psychology, cultural studies, and media studies. However, their views have also been criticized. Some critics argue that the Frankfurt School underestimates the ability of people to resist the messages of mass culture. Others argue that the Frankfurt School's critique is too pessimistic and it ignores the potential of mass culture to be used for progressive purposes. Despite these criticisms, the Frankfurt School's critique of mass culture remains an important contribution of our understanding of the role of popular culture in society. Their work has helped us to understand how mass culture can be used to control and manipulate people. But it has also helped us to see the potential of mass culture to be used for progressive purposes. The Frankfurt School's critique of mass culture is a complex and nuanced one. They did not argue that all pop culture is bad or that it is impossible for people to resist its messages. However, they did argue that mass culture is a powerful force that can be used to control and manipulate people. Their work is an important reminder of the need to be critical of the messages that we receive from popular culture.